Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting geometry question with us today. Let's see what is given to us and what we need to find out. So first of all, it is given that this triangle given on the left hand side is an isosceles right triangle, ACB. Isosceles right triangle means first of all this is a right triangle, and isosceles means AC will be equals to BC. These two sides will be equal to each other. Yes. And next is it is given that there is a semicircle which is touching tangentially. We can see that it is touching tangentially, and the area of the semicircle is 2 pi. The area of the semicircle is 2 pi. And what do we need to find out? We need to find out the area of triangle ACB. We need to find the area of this right triangle ACB. Okay, so let's see how we can find the area. So to explain this question to you, what I have done, I have taken the image outside and I've drawn a bigger image. So what we will do, we will be completing a square. See, if you look at triangle ACB, it is like a half part of a square. Yes. So what we can do, we can complete the square. So let's complete the square. So like this, we have completed the square, and now we will complete the half semicircle as well. And if we complete this half semicircle, please see that this will become like a complete circle. Yes, if we draw the half semicircle here, we will get a complete circle, right? So like this, we have drawn a half figure more, which is exactly the reflection of the given half. Yes. Now, please see the area of semicircle given here is 2 pi. Okay, let's use this to find the radius of this semicircle. Area of semicircle is pi r square by 2, which is equals to 2 pi. Okay, so pi and pi will get cancelled and r square will turn out to be 4. That means radius of this semicircle will turn out to be 2. Correct? Because r square is 4, r will be under root 4, which will give us radius as 2. Now see how this radius is useful. If we draw this radius, yes, if we draw this radius, this will be 2. If we draw this radius, this will also be 2. Correct? Now, this is like the diameter of the circle, complete circle. And this is also tangential. That means 90 degree, 90 degree. That means this will be exactly parallel, parallel to the side of the square that we have drawn. Yes, that means the side of the square is 4. Similarly, if you look at this diameter, this is also 2 and 2, 4. That means this side is also 4, right? So side of the square is 4 units. So what will be the area of square? What will be the area of square? Area of square will be 4 times 4, which is 16. But we do not want the area of square. We need the area of triangle ACB. Now, area of triangle ACB, area of triangle ACB is half of area of square. Yes, we can clearly see that half of area of square is area of triangle ACB. That means half of 16, which will give us 8. That means the area of triangle ACB will be 8. This will be our final answer. I hope you have understood the solution well. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.